So chat. Chat, what the Sigma? When I win. Ah, what is happening? Skibbity! Jesus! Did you already leave? You already left.
It's time to wake me. Oh my god, this monkey's always. You know, I'm gonna spank him with a stick. He's gonna get. Wait! What? Oh, go get your yacht and go get some cash. You're broke.
What a great and productive morning this will be. Okay, I realize I'm broke. I realize I'm broke. Okay, brother. I have an idea. Brother, I think okay, when I look away, he will just magically appear.
Ta-da!
Okay, brother, I have an idea.
What?
We need money.
Yeah.
So,
no
we're gonna
shit.
use the tiny bit of money we have. Itty bitty batty packs.
We're so broke.
We're gonna go smash some crystals, we some monkeys.
Oh my gosh.
Gonna beat some crystals. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna beat some crystals while beating crystals. It's gonna be fun. Let's beat some crystals.
Oh, okay, you get that side, I'll get that side. Sitting. Oh my gosh! I got a big chunk.
Where's my chunks? Hey, my chunks.
Let's
You
go
stealing
get
from me,
let's
brother?
Go.
I thought we had a bond.
We did.
Ooh.
I thought you didn't see that one. So
Ooh. My brother already know that I'm greedy. Brother, I found something.
we go. What did you find?
This is really weird.
Why are we going in this mysterious cave?
You're acting like you know what this is.
I mean, it looks mysterious. Well, I didn't get no chunks. Oh, look at that big dog!
Ooh, let's go, let's go.
Oh my! I got a mega chunk.
The rest of these chunks are mine. Big trunk? Huh? I don't have any more space.
Here, I'll carry this.
Wait, we need to.
You carry one. You carry this chunk. Carry. Okay, let's
We
hurry
need
up
to-
and get out of here.
This is
Over
this is
here.
kind of. What? Oh, yeah, this is kind of scary,
Hey, get
dude.
in. I love my stick. Yeah, it's too scary, but at least we get free treasure and free stuff.
Yeah.
And
Bro.
look at this big old chunk I got too, bro.
Did you
It's
say
so
you
big.
left your stick?
Yeah, but it's
You
okay.
put it on your
the
back.
sticks are free.
It's on your back.
Oh, well. Oh, yeah, I'm stupid. All right, let me sell my stuff.
No, let's do it together.
Okay. Scary, bro. Whoever built this, I feel kind of bad for them. After so many hours, it looks like it's like hard work done.
More crystals emerged. Okay, give me all the crystals, because I'm the first ones to fill up our stuff. Why can't
You
I
kind of
Oh yeah, my stick, my stick. I like my stick. Where's my stick? Oh, here it is.
Okay, well.
Ooh, another crystal. So I'm the first to fill up all our stuff.
Alright, well, let's go to the same spot we were at before.
You whack me?
Oh. No. No. Oh my god, we keep
I don't think we should go that way.
Yeah, let's go a different way. Whoa, there's a lot of crystals here.
Oh yeah, there's some crystals you left over.
Oh yeah. So spooky.
It's not spooky when you have money.
Oh yeah,
I think
bro,
there's still a government.
Yo, bro, over here.
Where are you? Ooh, big cash.
Ooh. Oh my god, I got a big chunk.
Look at all this cash. Okay. We get all this stuff and then we leave. Alright?
Okay. Where are you? Alright, let's get out of here.
This one's full. Let me get my back one and fill that one. No, I don't want it on my back. Where'd it go?
Huh?
My backpack just disappeared. I dropped it and it's gone.
Bro. Oh, I found it.
Oh, why is it over there?
I don't know. Here.
Okay,
wait,
gotcha.
bro, look behind you.
Stroking my got lotion on my and I'm just stroking.
Alright, I'm gonna grab these chunks from you.
You got me thinking there was like... God, that was in my hand.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, let's hurry up and get out of here now.
Wait, there's still some moolah over... Maybe we could fill a...
You can just come back for it, bro. Come on. We gotta go. Hey. Oh my god, it's so hard to move when you got all this big chunk.
Hey, come back here, Crystal. Okay, wait, come here. Do you still have the stick?
Yeah, I still
There's
have it.
some up here. Need to whack 'em all. Whack 'em all
Got
like
you.
a whack-a-mole. Give me that.
Dang it, my stick already broke.
Your stick broke?
Yeah, my stick already broke.
How tight was she?
Bro,
Hey, this is
you know
question.
what I mean.
Bro, come back. We need another stick.
Alright,
I think I saw one outside.
yeah. Or not. Here, I'm gonna go sell the chunks. I already
Wait,
got.
there's more chunkies.
Dang it. Bro, now we gotta go all the way back. Well, let's... like we have, without it, we can't see, but with it,
Come on.
let's just not bother getting the ones up here, bro.
No. Come on. We need to do it. We need as much money as possible. We see crystal,
Okay.
we break crystal. Okay,
I
come
don't know
on.
what that
Just
is.
keep doing it. Oh, there's one up there. I'll get it. There we go. Did we
Oh, one
drop?
over here. This one's trying to hide, bro. Where you go? Oh, over here. There's a big mega chunk right here.
Okay, this one's full.
Okay. Oh, over here, bro. I see some good ones. Oh my gosh! Look how many crystals are over here and over there.
Okay, come on. Let's mine them. Whoa. We'll get on that next time, just so we don't have anything to lose.
Exactly. Let's go. So I'm mine this.
What? Where?
Oh, what? Oh, that's small. Small. Oh, well, I'm glad I brought another stick, you know.
I need
okay.
you to grab this one. I can't get it. There we go.
Alright, there's one right there.
My tracking is bugging out. Come on.
Let's go! We got
This
so much money,
this
bro.
method is great, dog. We should do that more often.
Exactly, bro.
All of them are pressed. Let's go. Let's see. Oh.
Whoa!
625.
Whoa.
That's the most we've ever gotten. I'm at 1,200.
You're 1,000? I'm at... Look at how much I have.
Why is your flashlight just kind of floating here?
Yeah, bro, look at...
Flashlight has zero gravity.
It's okay, I could buy
Do
another
you,
one.
do you not see that? No,
Oh
your
my
flashlight
God.
is floating.
Here, I think I can easily get it back. I think I can easily get it back. You can't, bro. I'm your brother. You can't just say you're the favorite. You don't know.
Okay, my stuff
Alright,
is in my
well-
storage now.
Right. Wait.
I think
Huh?
we have the perfect place.
Yo, bro. I just got the most amazing idea.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm just saying, just in case if we go mining.
It's gonna get really dark.
Oh my
on.
God.
Some beds. How about we take a nap for a little bit?
Bro, we don't have time. We gotta make more money, remember?
No.
Wait, what
We're
over here?
taking a break. We're rich. Come back.
Okay. Alright, if you say so.
5 years later. Bit.
How long have it been? Like 10 hours?
Well, that was a nice nap, bro. Alright. Time to find and explore.
I think I've been here with somebody before. Isn't this where we were first born?
I think.
Yo! I remember when these things are called elevators.
Oh, Ali.
I just had a vision.
Bro.
Whoa! Master?
Master.
You go say hi to Master.
Master. He's a little goop.
I couldn't help it. Sacrifice yourself if it goes bad. Oh, you damaged him.
Damage him. Alright,
Oh man, I accidentally. Oops.
bro, I was gonna attack. Alright, come on, let's go back up. We could kill him. We could try to kill him. I'll do all the work. Well, you could try to help. But like, I'm gonna distract him.
Have you ever had a dreams that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
Then you the sticks back.
Master, you're kind of weird.
I know you want to cry all night.
Master. Ugh, I'm gonna fall asleep. Shut the fuck up.